She's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. She got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a cocaine. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat bertemu lagi dengan channel Tigar Studio bosku. Pada video kali ini kita akan menampilkan armada terbaru yang akan menghiasi lintas Sumatera Padang Jakarta, PO Palala. PO Palala di bawah bendera PT Transindo Putra Mulia akan melaksanakan land perdana pada besok hari Sabtu tanggal 19 Februari tahun 2022. Seperti apakah kesiapan PO Palala untuk line perdananya? Yuk ikuti terus video ini sampai selesai bosku. Ya. Ini dia loket PO Palala di Terminal Bandar Solok bosku. Untuk membuktikan kesungguhannya bersaing di lintas Sumatera, PO Palala mendesain loketnya sangat elegan ini bosku. Mantap lah. Nah, beginilah tampilan dari loket Palala di Terminal Bandar Solok. Lu rencana jalan dah?
Sabtu rencana.
Hari Sabtu?
Iya, hari Sabtu lah. Hari Sabtu tanggal 9 Maret.
9 Maret berangkat saat berapa unit berangkat tu?
Cik pertama.
Cik tu.
Ya.
Ada hari Sabtu dah.
Ya, Sabtu.
Di yang tu anak Daro.
Daro.
Daro. Dia saya unit apa tu? Nak gala yang Tigolai.
Senopati, Kota Budaya. Aja lah itu. Aja lah ini.
Belum libis nak?
Belum libis.
Belum libis.
Belum libis.
Saat ini PO Palala memiliki 4 unit dan semua unitnya berplat Sumatera Barat, khususnya Solok bosku. Yang pertama E01 berjulukan Anak Daro.
they didn't treat you right.
Kemudian yang kedua, Palala E02 dengan julukan Belibis.
Yeah. They say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of
Kemudian yang ketiga, Palala E03 dengan julukan Duta Budaya.
that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a ghost.
Dan yang keempat, Palala E04 dengan julukan Senopati.
Got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coffin. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me.